Bima Obibia Kwaba Eva GCBs. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aramide Bremo. The Swagina Kennedy Agyapong who said Sammy our big two guys my bita sign someone among for a cafan who Abraham will pursue a MPP flag there hopeful. Now what did not take council to be not as well at 1 7 so and our in some to go Abraham could pay or a stage in so an hour yana Koma a year Bawumia congratulations. Now answer on the day at 7 minutes Mr. Say so we can subscribe to the channel now Mr. Say over subscribe. Udiabaya say over click the subscribe button na wabele notification where sa video fufu dia dey upload also with sa can be Afriyie na wala ki video no my thumbs up give us a thumbs up na fe the share ma ofofo so enya bi hwe na wo hu dia eko afi yonko eye ensemu Kennedy Agyapong MP4 asense bra when so the ensemu tuga dia eye wana kaseti ani di na tendi tuga Kennedy chese abrao Bawumia onwa hu se resource ne ba mu so Bawumia dey awodi in community o ka che me team se o wa person ko yin mechi na ye kolom champagne na wo chese abrao yen agi se wo ko stage no so na wakoma Bawumia congratulations wo so du wo hu nipa na edi na tem cancel fa no ho na ibu Afriyie pa o ye se ka o be cancel pa o di microphone na wo se isa se o ko du no na se no oni me ko internet se o she no so o ti control no Yes, I can simple our beckham. Now, if you saw Tessa, and yet before now, or Cassa at your name, Ghana Fulina, Tina, a shed on sofa, and can somehow become and yet a simple one. Now, Kennedy, it's sad to just say a year 2008, about a year and not with Akufo-Addo, Sabano, and a year MPP flag bearer. When a Lucy Yeno, Obenya Akomayadi now because ordinary sicker and a holding the resources, not the boy and take pass, I don't say. Again, pa na Kennedy and Sammy Nara and Atuga. Na yen Sammy no nti a year and summer year Kennedy Ohini Agyapong Edituga nti yen seven.
I learned my lesson from 2008 when I put my resources, my soul and will, money, everything to support President Akufo-Addo. When he lost, I got heart problem. So my doctors, they counseled me. They didn't know I was a politician until they saw my heartbeat and all those things. So I learned my lesson from that time, that I will campaign, I'll do everything, but I'll not religiously get involved and say that is do, die. And therefore, if I don't win or Mr. B doesn't win, I should get heart problems. That has cushioned me. Look, who says I'm bitter? When the results were coming, and I saw that the vice president has won, I told my team, I'm going home. Anybody who wants to drink champagne, come. We were drinking champagne. And I gladly decided to go and congratulate the vice president. But I'll be honest with you, when I got there on the stage, the people that have insulted me, I got so annoyed. That day was the first time I took my wife to public gathering like that. She saved me. I would have misbehaved. I will tell you the truth.
Misbehavior means you would have physically attacked them?
No. When I took the mic, the things I was going to say.
Okay.
I just controlled myself. And again, it is not them alone. I was speaking to the party and the nation. So that I had to control myself and, But I was going there. I knew I've lost. Let me tell you the truth. Here, this building, we have 42 offices. My intention was that, we do civil campaign. If I lose, I'll give it to the winner to use it as a campaign office. All my campaign, you've seen some of them sitting there. I'll give it to the winner to support. But the way they verify me, I've stayed quiet. I allow them to do whatever they are doing. These pickups, I'm not going to use it for anything. But I won't give it to anybody.
Will I keep them here?
Yeah, I'll keep them here.
What did they send a delegation?
A delegation.
To officially.
A delegation.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. One MP in Western Region said to A+ that, as for Ken Agyapong, he can win the general election, but we will not give it to him. And after that, then he asked, do you think you can do away with Ken Agyapong? He said, after that, we'll go and beg him. He went to South Africa and repeated the same thing. So delegation from where? The delegation, they didn't see what they were saying, or they didn't hear what they were saying. I don't think any delegation can come to me. It's my choice. And you see, let me tell you, I like vice president. I can easily communicate with him, but the people around him, the things they said will be difficult. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to campaign. I'm going to campaign for some people. And I use my own money to campaign. I don't take party money. Or no presidential candidate has ever given me money to go and campaign for him. So I'll use my own money and campaign for certain candidates. So I don't have a problem. So I'm still a party man. I'll do it.
Kennedy Agyapong. And listening to you, Honorable, I can tell that you've been hurt. You know, I'm not saying you are peeved, maybe, but you have been hurt. It seems like the betrayal really did affect you. Is that the story?
It has not affected me in any way.
Okay.
No. Just that when I see them, then I cast my mind back. Some of them, I just handpick them like this. And they are ministers. But no problem. They want to protect their positions. Because some of them, I understand them from the appointment that they made. I was just teasing them that, well, you betray your good friend to get a minister, so no problem. Some of them, they were ministers and they are still ministers. Because to tell you the truth, maybe if they had not taken a position like that, they would have relieved them from their positions. And most of them, they are not like me, a businessman. Me, I can change this water. The design and the value will be more than what it is today. Some of them, the pen is there. They don't have, with all due respect to them, they don't have the creative mind to turn things around. So maybe if they are not ministers, they will not survive. So me, I'm okay. I've never taken any position. President Kufuor's time, he called me and asked me to go to Minister of Interior as Deputy Minister of Interior. I said no to him, but I made one request that it was my boss who brought me into MPP party, politics and all. Because my family, there's no politician in there. My boss, he recently died. You know, we have not even done the funeral. So, Mr. President, I thank you very much. But I want you to give this deputy ministerial appointment to my boss. He said, oh, your boss, this position is too small. I said, but okay, go and discuss with him if he will take it. So I went to my boss. He's called Lawyer Kojo from Messid. So I went to him and said, boss, lawyer, I call him lawyer. This is what President Kufuor has offered me, but I don't want to be a minister. I mentioned your name. He said, you are too big for deputy ministerial appointment. I said, oh no, you will serve. So I quickly went to President Kufuor and told him that, oh, he has accepted. That's how come Lawyer Siedu first became Deputy Minister of Interior. Then he moved him to Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs. And the last part of President Kufuor's administration, he was the Regional Minister for Eastern Region, Lawyer Kojo from Messid. So all I'm trying to say is, I'm not somebody who is always fighting to be the helm of affairs. I know what I'm capable of doing. And my joy is business. To wake up in the morning, go to my work premises and see the number of people that are working. And I say to myself, wow, a poor soul, Kennedy Agyapong from Asay Dompim, who was hawking on the street, now has this number of workers. I become so happy. So it's not only politics. But sometimes politics matters because if you make a mistake and be complacent that, oh, my business is doing well and therefore I don't care who becomes the president, then you are making it because a president can make one policy and it will affect your business and collapse your business. So it is always important to make sure that we have right leaders in this country. And my brother, I'm telling you, What Ghana needs as a leader is a pragmatic leader and not theorist. And I see myself as a pragmatic leader. What I would have done to this country. People are saying inflation, depreciation of the cedi. Simple. This man made a fantastic statement, and it became his name, domestication. You see, we are too bookish. We didn't get what Mr. Danlati, we didn't get what he was trying to say. But let me break it down to you. During my campaign, I was talking about maize, sugarcane, cassava that we can use for ethanol. My brother, there's a company in this country that imports 20 million liters of ethanol, 2 million tons of ethanol. On the world market today, ethanol, 1 ton is $962. Multiplied by 2 million tons, you get about $1.852 billion. How much do we get from cocoa? How much do we get from cocoa? And the process of getting this ethanol, all the byproducts, you can use some of them for poultry feeds. We can generate electricity out of it. I still maintain that. Let them go everywhere and check if what I'm saying is not the truth. Besides using this ethanol for alcohol, beverages and everything, we can use the ethanol to mix. Today, they have increased prices of fuel. Okay? Meanwhile, if we domesticate and say that we're going to have import substitution industries or companies, meaning we'll build ethanol factory, then we stop importation of ethanol. If you do 300,000 liters a day for 300 days in a year, you need 42,000 acres of maize farm. Now, if you do the calculation, the 300,000 liters is nowhere near what that company in this Ghana imports. So you need about 700,000 liters a day. Before 300 days, you can get 21 million. Now, brother, as a nation, very simple for us to do. What's the use of the common fund in this country? We could have used the common fund to have every assembly should have 1,000 acres of maize farm. We have 275 constituencies. Every constituency, 1,000 acres. You have 275,000 acres. If you strike it by 300,000 liters, which a day that you need 42,000, my brother, you can have about 6 of 300,000 liters a day ethanol factory. And 6 by 300 is 1.8, you know. So 18 million or whatever, you can now say that we are not going to import ethanol into this country. We are self-sufficient.
Yo, for winning. And some of your Kennedy Agyapong MP for a Central, what the people are required one day fast so attend the daily. Now we could be stage so come about Bawumia congratulations. Now it's not say what they really call it in say or shadow who no could do. Mensah and Ken what did the Kigano. Yeah, as a Ketua. Now what that in Sunday Eddie. Because so we don't subscribe as well. Mensah say over subscribe no like it. Now what share video room of so in your be action. Also bet me actually what in Afriyie and some way na ho e wo comment box ni mo beti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.